Hello guys, BIM here, and in this tutorial we will learn about the templates. Templates are all the by default settings that you want to have when you start a project, or these are the settings that you are comfortable working with. Some of the example of templates are like I want that whenever I start a project, I want certain type of levels to be set. Some of the sets of my sheets that would be having my name and some other data on them. Also some of the dimensions or the size of the dimensions, some of the text sizes and the fonts of text sizes, and some other specific information that I'm comfortable working with. Here are some of the templates that Revit allows you to work on. These are construction template, architectural, structural or mechanical. You can open a new template or create a new template by having this option. Whether this is a construction or some other templates, or you can browse for the template if you have one of yours saved in your PC. If you want to start a new project, Revit will ask you whether this new project is a project or a project template. Now let's see if we have a template of our own. Go to browse and you will have some of the templates. These are the by default templates that Revit allows you to open and work on them. If you have a template of your own, then go to that address and find the template of your. For now, I'll choose it cancel. You can also use the default template that Revit allows you to use. Now if you cannot find the default of the Revit, go one step back, US Imperial. Now you will be able to find the default Revit template. Here it is. Open it and now you will be able to work on the default Revit template. From now on I am using this project and click OK. So here is the Revit template file that Revit allows you to work on. Now imagine if this was your template file. You will have different properties and settings that you have saved in your project or some of the files that you are comfortable to be working in. In my case, it would be first of all, it would be in south elevation, there would be setting of the levels. Like there are two levels and setting some of the heights of these levels. I would have a lot of levels and their heights must be adjusted by some of the default heights that are in daily use of my project. Some other things include components that must be loaded in my project that I have to use in my daily projects. Components are here. You can load in some of the components and also you can load in some of the family or groups that you want to have in your Revit template. Also, you will have some of the settings or you have saved like level settings, some of the ceiling plans, some of the elevations and legends, or also you will be having a sheet set of yours. If you want to have a new sheet or a new schedule quantities, you will have a new schedule quantities of your own set here. Or if you want to have a sheet, you will have maybe if you set your sheets in your template, it will be here with your name and specific information in it. Like if I click OK, that would be a Autodesk sheet with the name and properties of the Autodesk. Like it's Autodesk and certain address, Autodesk Revit consultant, description owner. In your template, this information will be filled out by you, and you can open this sheet in any of the projects by using your default template. This template thing that I have been talking about my whole video is a universal template that almost all of the softwares allows you to take the privilege on their user interface. That was all about the templates. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.